Horizon Court. It's a little slow right now. So it has one full section here. This is different than the bistro. The Horizon Court section, typically there's two little circles. So this is one circle, and then on the other side of the ship there's another circle. Has your fresh stuff. And then there's another line of hot where you get your soups, or in the morning your oatmeal. And just long lines of food. Entire sections for your dressings and cheeses. So there's a lot of options. Egg muffins, eggs, sausage, bread pudding.
Is one of the restaurants here that you can pay an additional charge to get into and get some specialty dinners. This is Italian themed food. Let's take a look at the menu. International Cafe located on deck 5, which is what I'm touring right now, and this is open all the time, and it has some sandwiches and snacky things always available. Looks like they're serving breakfast right now, which makes perfect sense. If you come down here, their caprese sandwich is to die for delicious. Very tasty. Available all the time. And then there's a coffee bar over there, which you do pay for. It's their specialty coffee. They also have a selection of specialty teas that you can get, I assumed for a price. You can get royal afternoon tea delivered to your room. Oh, and you can even purchase your favorite tea from here to bring home with you later. The Piazza Bar, one of many bars available at this ship. A good place to just hang out, and you can see what's happening in the actual piazza, which is right here, and this is the heart of the ship, the main area. A lot of things happen in this circle right here. That's where our Christmas tree is, the stunning spiral staircases, and you can see into the piazza from floors 6 and 7 as well. is a bar on floor 7 called Crooners. They typically have somebody over there crooning away. It's very, very quiet when it's, you know, closed. Hiding in the back there is my husband and my father-in-law looking at potential cruises to book now for our next cruise. Can't complain about that, can I? Over here, still on floor 7, we have like Caribbean gift shop, which I have to go in there and look for something. You have an open view of the casino, which is really cool. You have an art gallery, which never in my life have we been interested in art, but we actually spent some time there the other day and really liked what we saw. And then this is like the beauty store, duty-free makeup and whatnot, all that jazz. All on floor 7. This is Club 6. During the day, it's nice and calm.
At night,
it's a party. At night, there's lights. There's drinks. It's 18 and over only. And this little area over here, past the bar stools, is the dance floor. But this is Club 6. They're 18 and over club. What are you doing?
here is where all the magic happens.
Oh, you really needed to worm on my vlog. Do you feel better now?
Yes.
Great. And of course, as with any good club, there's a bar. This is the Princess Live Bar, outside the Princess Live TV studio. On our last cruise, we spent a lot of time at this bar because this is where our friends that we made hung out every single night. We befriended the bartender and had a great, great time. This year, we haven't spent any time at this bar, but the reason it's called the Princess Live Bar is because of the Princess Live TV studio, which is right here. And is really awesome. We're gonna go look through the window if we can. Yeah, look at that. You can also see me, but it's a whole TV studio in there. And that's where they hold a lot of their trivia and smaller activities. Here's a look at the pool deck. This is a water fountain thing that puts on a really cool light and water show. This is kind of the kiddie pool that's mostly a wading pool, and then you can go a little bit deeper in there. And then I believe the regular pool is over there on the other side. This is deck 16 down below me, and I'm standing up a level on deck 17, where there's a whole lot of places to sit and sun. And then around here somewhere, like right there, straight ahead, is a hot tub that's available, and there's one on either side. It looks like there might be 2 over on my side, but that is the pool area of the Regal Princess. It's not huge, and it's for a lot of swimmers, but it's nice for what you need. All right, guys, we made it. We're on the ship in our room. Here's a quick little glance before we mess it up. This is a deluxe balcony room. I like the little storage up there. The shower is actually relatively roomy. All right.
That was bigger than the other one.
I like it. This closet space is also nice and roomy. And then in here is our room. Got our bed. We got a couch. That's a bonus of a deluxe balcony. We've got this. I don't know what this is. It's a fridge, babe. You can take food from the place and save it for later.
And I have a place to put the LaCroix that I brought.
Oh, that too. And the auto is not working, but we have a balcony. Happy day.